Welcome to our channel. Today we how to delete search suggestions on Instagram, activity control step by step clearly. Open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure you are logged in. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. Tap the three-line menu icon in the top right corner to open the main menu. Tap Settings and Privacy to enter your account controls. Scroll down to the section called Your Activity. Tap Recent Searches to see the keywords and accounts you searched for. Review the list carefully so you understand what will be removed. To delete one suggestion, tap the X next to the search item you want to remove. Confirm the removal if Instagram asks you to confirm. Repeat the same action for every search suggestion you want to delete. To clear everything at once, look for Clear All at the top of the Recent Searches page. Tap Clear All and read the warning message on the screen. Tap Clear All again to confirm and remove all stored search suggestions. Go back one screen to make sure the recent searches list is now empty or reduced. Now return to Settings and Privacy to control what gets saved going forward. Scroll to Accounts Center if you see it and tap it to access connected account settings. Inside Accounts Center, tap your information and permissions. Tap Search History or similar search-related option if it appears on your version. Disable any option that says Save Searches or Search History when available. Go back to Instagram Settings and Privacy again to continue. Find and open Privacy, then look for options related to activity status or tracking. Turn off activity status if you do not want others to see when you are active. Return to the Search tab and type a few letters to test whether old suggestions still appear. If some suggestions still show, close Instagram completely from the app switcher. Reopen Instagram and check the search suggestions one more time. If you use multiple accounts, switch accounts and repeat the same recent searches clearing steps. For best results, update Instagram from the App Store or Google Play if menus look different. Keep in mind new searches will create new suggestions, so clear them anytime you want. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.